Oh, for f***ing. Oh, yeah. That is... Oh, damn. All right, we can breathe again. Now let's make sure we can breathe again. Oh, Jesus. Slide. Yeah, that does not bode well. Oh, for f***ing. Oh, yeah, that is... Oh, damn. You saw new. This is used. So this is the cabin filter I took out. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at how filthy that is. It's on the edge of being crunchy. If you haven't done yours, do so, because there's a pretty big chance nobody's ever done it. You know, I actually posted a picture of this on Reddit. I just really wanted to see what the remarks in the comments were. So let's go through a couple. Apart from all the regular comments saying, please replace it, which I mentioned I did, that's Reddit. There's a couple of very good ones I found. Since when did we oil air cabin filters? Jesus. Yeah, I get why he said that. Time to replace. Nothing horrendous though, to be honest. I once found a rat skeleton in my mom's air filter. Yeah, how the f did that get in there? Dude, a rat? Seriously? Damn. I can't. Damn near old enough to vote. From right before World War II. Real bad. Not the worst I've seen. 100% looks like it needs replacing though. When I replaced the cabin air filter on my Chevy Cruze, it looked black and had all kinds of trash and food in it along with napkins. I don't know how that shit got in, but my car was a former rental car and then got repossessed out of Baltimore, so I doubt it was cared for much. Dude, napkins? How would you get a napkin in your air filter? Honestly, the rat thing was disturbing. Not again. And slide back into place. There we go.